Rhonda, thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm making a recipe and it's not one of my old-timey recipes. This one, I don't remember where I got this, but it's called warm crack dip. And I found it and it looked really good. However, I just adapted it a little bit. It was supposed to, it's cream cheese and sour cream and cheddar cheese. And it called for bacon, but I wanted to put chicken in it, so I put rotisserie chicken in it, but you could do either. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get this block of cream cheese going. I wouldn't call it healthy or anything like that, but if you're looking for something high protein, this is you know, rotisserie chicken breast and cheese and sour cream, so it is high protein. Okay, that's one block of cream cheese, one container of sour cream, takes a minute for that cream cheese to get melted down. And I would take it in a crock pot and just take it along with a bag of tortilla chips. And everybody loved it like that, but since today I'm not going anywhere that I could share it with anybody, I'm going to put it in these two little crocks. And me and my husband are going to eat it for supper. So one crock for him, one crock for me. And all it calls for as far as spices go is it calls for a packet of ranch dressing. Now, if you've seen my videos, I made a video for making your own ranch dressing mix, and I'm going to use that because I like it better. But with this, I would use the whole packet. With this, I'm not going to use near as much because mine doesn't have citric acid, calcium stearate, xanthan gum, cellulose guar gum, and stuff like that in it, which are like fillers, which that's why, you know, that this seems like a whole lot of seasoning in here, and if I would put the equal amount of seasoning in there, believe me, it would be too salty, for sure. So I'm going to just put in, like, I think 2 teaspoons. And I think that will do it. So far that's 1 block cream cheese, 1 container of sour cream. I'm using the light sour cream, but you wouldn't have to. And then it said 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, and I shredded this myself. And then as soon as I get this melted, all I have to do is put the chicken in, and then I will put it in these 2 little crocks, put a little extra cheese on top, and then me and my husband will have crack for dinner. It's really good. So I think I need to turn my heat up a little bit here. There are so many recipes out there now where you use ranch dressing mix. And I've been making my own ranch dressing mix for a long time. I've had this packet for a long time. But anyway, if you want to find out how to make your own ranch powder, seasoning mix, I should say, go to my website. It's rhondasthrifty.com. And there you can see the video and you can see the recipe there for do-it-yourself ranch dressing. Okay, so this isn't gonna get real yellow because it's got cream cheese and sour cream in it and only 2 cups of cheddar, so it's not gonna get real super yellowish. But I'm gonna go ahead and put my rotisserie chicken in there, and I always have rotisserie chicken on hand because I love it. It's such a good deal, I think. $5 for big fat chicken, and you get so much meat off of it. So I buy it, I bring it home, I pull it off the bone, chop it up, and throw it in the freezer. And then when I want to make something like this, I don't have to worry about going out and get a rotisserie chicken because I already have it. And my best tip for when you go to pick out a chicken is don't just pick the one that looks like, you know, the brownness, but if you bend down and look across the row of them, Sometimes there's 2 rows, Sam's Club or Costco. Look for the one that is touching the top lid, or that is, it looks like it's crowded in there. Some of them, you would be surprised at how much bigger one will be than the other. You know, some just sit down there normal, and some are like big and they look, you know, swollen almost. They're just bigger chickens, and you get more for your money. So I always try to get the biggest chicken. Okay, so this is done. It's just, you know, it's kind of saucy, but with tortilla chips or pita chips, anything you like to dip, it's really good. So I'm going to put this in these crocks for me and my husband, and then I'm going to put them in the oven. And then we will sit on the couch and watch a movie and eat our crack dip. And I think this is too big of a serving, but it doesn't hurt to have leftovers. Yum. And you totally could switch this out, put bacon in there if you want. Or you could put taco meat in there. That would be really good too. Okay, so now just to like finish it off, I'm gonna grate a little extra cheese and throw it on top so it's gooey and delicious when we get into it. Don't need a whole lot, but okay, so this is gonna go in the oven. Okay, so what I have left over here, I'm gonna put into a little crock, and I can freeze it or I can give it to somebody, save it, you know, if we want it again tomorrow or something like that. But I got 3 crocks out of this. And it's a really good thing to share. It works good in a crock pot. And put a little extra cheese on there. There you go. Warm chicken crack dip. So thanks for checking out my video. And like I said, if you want to see any of my recipes or my videos, go to my website at rhondasthrifty.com, and please hit like, follow, and subscribe to help me be able to make more videos. It really helps me out a lot. Thank you so much. Good to see you. I'll see you next time.